Hey guys, it's me Ivy. So today I'm doing my unboxing my Birchbox. I got this a couple days ago, so I already know what I got, so I like what I got. But this is cute, like Valentine's Day, and has the XO here. It's so cute. So let's get started. So this is really cute. Things to do like for February or of course Valentine's past are these things. And this is what I got. Okay, so I got this Wonder Eye Cream. It's my freebie that I picked. So, and then I got this blowout balm. I don't know if I'm going to try it because of my hair. I don't know how. So, whatever. And then, next thing I got is a leave-in conditioner. Good size. And then, I got this MAC in Extreme Dramatic or whatever it is, 3D mascara. It's just into this. And this is the one looks like. So it's just so weird. But I'm going to try this out too and see how it is. And then next is a perfume. This is clean. This is St. Auburn. I just scented this. Like that. I really like this and I want to get a full size. And then next is this cool thing. It's a day and night cleansers. It's just in this brand. And it tells you what they do, and you get the thing. And they also talk about this. So yeah, I'm going to try this out because this will be pretty cool. So that's what I got in my Birchbox. I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.